So just a real quick update on my C64. This is the original one that I was having trouble with, and you'll notice that I have a different VIC-II in there, not the original one. And this VIC-II is actually the one from the second C64 that I bought, the one that had a broken pin. I fixed the pin, not well, but let me see if I can focus here. Not very well, but it works. But I tried it in here because when I fixed this VIC-II and I tried it in this C64 here, I had a different result than just a black screen. Like it flashed blue for a second, then went black. So I tried the dead test cartridge, plugged it in, and I was getting flashing white, just one flash every second or so, which suggests that it's bad RAM chip, probably U12. So I said, yeah, what the hell? Let's try the VIC-II from the second C64 and put it into the original one. And son of a gun, there it is right there. So the whole time it was just a bad VIC-II chip, the original ceramic one, which is kind of a shame because I really like the look of the ceramic one, as dumb as that sounds. But, you know, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It seems I'm always down here and I'm doing laundry and I get a stroke of genius or whatever. So I now have a at least somewhat functional C64. I still have to do some more diagnostics and stuff, but I really wanted to record this real quick before I forget. So there may be additional follow-ups. We'll see. All right, get the dead test going on. I know some of these are going to fail because I don't have harnesses or anything, but I'm hoping everything else is fine, so we'll see. Sorry for the shaky cam, but this isn't my usual setup right now. I just have my smartphone, my main smartphone with me, using it to play music in the background. Probably should have brought the rest of the equipment, but whatever. I don't know if it takes the color RAM a long time to diagnose or not, but considering there's color on screen, although it's very noisy, but I am using RF, so that's interesting. Not sure if that's normal with a dead test or not, but we'll have to do some digging around. Well, that's working. Keyboard seems to work, at least partially. Oh, this is so awesome that it's working. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how the sound quality is going to be on this. I might have to do a voiceover, but I'm excited. Got to figure out the issue with the dead test cartridge, why the screen just kind of disappeared like that. Unless that's normal, I have to find out. I've never had a chance to use this before, so. But now it means that I need to replace a RAM chip in the other C64, which should be fine. Hopefully it's just the only one, but we'll see. Yeah, awesome. We'd have to do some more C64 stuff going forward because I still have that SD2 IEC to test out and confirm and verify the other things in here are working too. So All right. Well, that's it for today's video. Do you have any comments, any questions? Anyone have any idea on the dead test cartridge issue? If you do, please leave a comment below. And of course, if you liked today's video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet, but if you didn't, hit the thumbs down. But please leave a comment below as to why so I can make improvements in future videos. Thanks all, and I'll catch you later.